Hello and welcome to Gayatri's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to prepare okra and shrimp curry, also known as Royyalu Bendakaya Pulusu in Telugu. If you enjoy non-veg dishes and want to include more vegetables in your meals and in your kids' meals, this is one of the best recipes to try. It's a flavorful way to add plenty of veggies while still enjoying the shrimp. This is very simple but very delicious recipe that perfectly pairs with hot rice. So let's not wait any longer. Let's get into the process. First, wash the okra thoroughly and drain it in a strainer to remove any excess water. For this recipe, I am using 1 lb of okra. I have separated the smaller okra for my son's lunchbox for later use. Let's start cutting by trimming the both ends and cut them into bigger pieces like more than an inch. In our childhood, people used to say that if you eat okra, you will be really good at math. I am not sure about that, but I think it supports brain health in kids. What I do know is that okra is very nutritious vegetable with many benefits. It helps to reduce blood sugar and rich in fiber and contains lot of vitamins and minerals. It's a highly nutritious vegetable to include in your diet. Let's start cooking. First, in a pan, add a pinch of fenugreek seeds, mentulu, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, dhaniyalu, a pinch of cumin, jeelakarra, 2 or 3 cloves, lavangalu, and a small stick of cinnamon, dalchin chakka. Dry roast them on low flame for a few minutes until they release their aroma. Take them into a mixie jar and grind them into a fine powder. Next, in the same pan, I am adding around 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil is hot, add the onions and slit green chilies. Sprinkle some salt and saute them until they turn into light golden brown. In this, I am adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix well and saute just for few minutes until the raw smell goes away. Next, add the shrimp. Here I am using around 1 lb of shrimp. Sprinkle some salt and turmeric. Mix it well and let it saute. Close the lid and cook for few minutes. Next in a bowl, take some tamarind and add water and microwave for 30 seconds. At first, shrimp will release water, so let it cook until the water evaporates. Meanwhile, in a frying pan, add around 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add some turmeric and salt. In this, add the okra and toss it in the oil for a few minutes, just until all the pieces are evenly coated with oil. Saute them for few minutes on medium flame. Frying the okra separately ensures it won't get mashed up and it won't become slimy. Each piece will be cooked well and maintain its shape. Close the lid and let it cook for few more minutes. Meanwhile, I am checking the shrimp. So the water from the shrimp evaporated. Now I am adding the chili powder. Here I am adding 2 spoons of chili powder. Adding some curry leaves. Now let's add the okra. Give it a mix and add water. Close the lid and let it cook just until the okra gets soft. As you can see here, okra is soft and well cooked, and at the same time it's not getting mashed up and it's not slimy. It is maintaining the shape because of frying separately. So now let's add tamarind juice. No need to add too much of tamarind. This much is enough. If you add more tamarind, then you need to add more chili powder and salt. We just have to balance these 3 flavors. So if you want more gravy, then add the more tamarind and more chili powder and balance the flavors. That's it. In this, add water and the freshly prepared masala. Mix this once carefully and then cook for some time. So let's see how is our curry. Wow, look at this beautiful bright curry. It's almost done. The gravy has thickened and the oil is floating on top. Now let's check the taste before turning off the stove. It needs a little more salt, so I am adding a pinch of salt here. And that's it. Our healthy and tasty Bendakaya Royyalu curry is ready. You should also try this recipe and share it with your family and friends, and let me know how it is in the comments. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, please leave a like and share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.